Today I'm going to show you how to use editing markers. Why we would like to use these markers is so that while we are busy watching the playback, we can mark in where we would like to cut certain parts, if there's something that you want to cut out, and also if you want to add in effects in certain areas of your video, whether it be a title, or if you want to speed up a section, or if you want to zoom in on a section. So for example, on a video like this, we wanted to put in titles when each person started talking. So while I'm watching this video, at this point, I want to put in her title. So what I'll do is I'll mark over here that I want to put in a title. I will click on the ruler, and then I'll right click and say add marker, and you can make them any color that you want if you want them to be for something specific. So say all the blue markers you want to add in a title, so it's going to mark there. So then we're going to play our video along, and then say the next lady starts talking, and I want to start zooming. I want to actually zoom her in. So we wait for her to start talking, and we say, oh, okay. So from here, I want to zoom into this lady, so that she is the main focus of our video. So I'm actually then going to click there and say, I want to add a marker, but now I want to make it yellow because it's for a different reason. And then we're also going to add in another marker because we also want her title. So we've decided that blue is her for titles, so we'll make a title marker there. And you can go along your entire video creating markers for where you want what. If you want to zoom in somewhere so that you now don't need to watch through the entire video again, you can now just go back and say, okay, I wanted a title marker here. Right, let's go put a title marker here. Let's go look for a lower thirds title, or anything actually. And you say, okay, I want to put a text title in there, so it'll sit there. And then we wanted another one over here, so we can click there and say copy and paste, and it'll put our next title there. And we can go to all our blue markers along the way and copy and paste our titles. And then because we said that at the yellow marker, that's where we wanted to zoom in, we can then go to the yellow marker, select the picture that we wanted to zoom in on, and do the alterations or the effects that we wanted done. And that's as simple as that with markers. When we are done with all of them, you just need to then right click and say remove all markers, and you can remove all your markers. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like this, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.